Now, to stories making headlines across the globe, Japanese business sentiment improved in the second quarter as raw material costs peaked and the removal of pandemic curbs lifted consumption. Companies expect to increase capital expenditure and project inflation to stay above the Bank of Japan's 2% target 5 years ahead. Here are the details of that story and more.
Big manufacturers in Japan expect business conditions to improve 3 months ahead, while non-manufacturers project a deterioration on worries over high costs. The headline index measuring big manufacturers' mood stood at +5 in June, bouncing back from a 2-year low of +1.8 in March, in a sign firms were recovering from the heat from rising raw material costs and supply disruptions. Japan's economy grew an annualized 2.7% in the first quarter and is expected to continue expanding as a post-pandemic pickup in domestic spending offset headwinds to exports from slowing global growth. Elsewhere, New Zealand has decided to expand its ban on plastic bags in supermarkets to thin bags, which are typically used to hold fruits or vegetables. The move, which took effect on Saturday, is part of a wider government campaign against single-use plastics. More than 1 billion plastic bags had been saved since the ban on thicker bags took effect in 2019. The new move is expected to prevent the usage of 150 million plastic bags per year. Supermarkets have started selling reusable polyester mesh bags. Finally, electric car maker Tesla says it delivered a record number of vehicles in the 3 months to the end of June after cutting prices to boost sales. It has lowered prices in markets including the US, UK and China to compete with rival manufacturers. This weekend, major Chinese car makers also reported a surge in sales in June. Earlier this year, Tesla boss Elon Musk said he believed pursuing higher sales with lower profits was the right choice for the company.